Today, we are going to rebuild the CPU of Samsung A50s.
Cut the edge glue first.
Remove some capacitor for easy way to remove CPU. Use heat 365 Celsius and airflow 55. Insert the blade gently.
And remove CPU from motherboard.
Please do not damage or remove the capacitor and resistors nearby the CPU
Clean the
while
CPU pads
removing
with
CPU.
solder wick and rosin using soldering iron.
Clean the rosin with PCB cleaner.
Separate the RAM and CPU. Using heat 360 Celsius and airflow 60.
Clean the CPU with heat 300 Celsius and airflow 55.
Do not damage the CPU by giving overheating.
Clean the CPU glue with heat 300 Celsius and airflow 45.
Clean CPU pads with solder wick for easy reball. Reball the CPU using 183 Celsius soldering tin using heat 300 Celsius and airflow 60.
Install the CPU in right position. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel for another UPDY.